Hey folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today we're going to be making bacon. Okay, so I've been sent this bacon homemade curing kit XL from Ross & Ross, and yeah, I'm going to give it a go. So excited about this. I like making bacon anyway. I do it myself at home here and smoke it, but yeah, I want to give this a try. So all you need to make dry cured bacon using traditional artisan methods, just add pork. Excellent. Well, here I have my pork, so some nice pork belly. Contains 6 of our favourite bacon cures. Okay, let's have a look in here then. Okay, sounds excellent. So, we have some hessian here, some sacking, I'm sure that's for later, so, and some instructions. So we present to you the homemade curing kit bacon. This sounds fantastic. This kit contains 6 cures for you to make sweet, smoky, Old English, fennel and juniper, maple and chipotle, and English mustard and pink peppercorn bacon at home. Excellent, those sound really good. So the instructions here, reading them, say I need 500 grams of pork belly. So here we have a couple of 500 gram pieces I've weighed out already. Okay, so thoroughly wash hands, I've done that already. Take a plastic glove from the kit here. It's got lots of plastic gloves. See if they're ideal for my hands. Okay, put the pork belly in a sealable bag. So it's got some Ziploc bags. I'm going to go with one first here. There we go. Okay. Put the pork belly into the sealable bag, pour in the chosen curing salts and rub into the pork. Okay, this seems to me probably the hardest bit of it, deciding which to go for. Okay, so fennel and juniper, sweet cure, English mustard and pink peppercorn, smoky cure, Old English cure, and maple and chipotle cure. No guesses here, you guys know what flavours I like. I'm going to go big, I'm going to go maple and chipotle cure, and I'm probably going to go English mustard and pink peppercorn. Just for these first 2, I'll try all the others out later, but yeah, I'm going to give this a go. So it just simply says pour these salts into the bag. So pour in chosen curing salts and rub into the pork, ensuring that the whole piece of meat is covered evenly. Okay. Maple and chipotle, sounds excellent, right up my street. So checking it's all in there, bit on both sides. This is pretty easy stuff, so checking it's all covered. Shake it around. I quite like it that you don't need to measure out anything with this. It's all measured and ready to go, which makes it easy. There we go, let's check it's all in there. That looks good. Happy with that. So the piece of meat is covered, and then it says seal the bag, making sure no air is left inside the bag, and then zip it up, press it down tight, and close it down, give it a final squeeze, check that all the air's out. There we go, and let's seal off. There we go. That is ready to go in the fridge. So it says put the bag in the bottom of the fridge and leave undisturbed for 2 days. So I'm going to do that and see how we get on, and then flip it over every couple of days and wash the salt off under a cold running tap, and then pop in the muslin and leave inside the fridge. So I'm going to get on with this next one. So I'm going to go for English mustard and pink peppercorn. Okay, so this bacon's been in the fridge curing now for about 4 days. I've been turning it every day, and yeah, it's looking ready. So next step is to wash off the bacon. So this is the maple and chipotle one. Looks wonderful. Give it a rinse off under the sink, I will. And this one is the pink peppercorn and English mustard one. So it smells wonderful. This is going to go be washed under the tap, and then I'll be coming back and wrapping it with some muslin. Okay, so they look great. All you need to do now is tie off the muslin. And cut it. Make a nice little bag. The bacon to go in, that will help it dry out. Then the kit comes with a hook, like that. Tuck it over and pop the hook through. That, and that will hang in the fridge for another few more days just to equalise and dry out. Get on with this one. Lovely, that's going to go into the fridge, that little pack now, for a few days, just to dry out. So the final part of this bacon, and I think the best, the tasting. So this bacon has been a few days in the fridge, and it's been wrapped in muslin. Smells good, smells like bacon. That's the pink peppercorn one. And the chipotle one. Oh, that smells amazing. I'm going to cut this and have a look and see how I've done. It smells amazing, so let's see how it's done. Another couple of slices. Nice thick cut bacon that is. That's going to make a nice bacon sandwich. Okay, so this bacon smells amazing. I'm going to have a taste. I'm going to go for the mustard and pink peppercorn first. It's nicely crispy. I'm going to make myself a quick bacon sandwich. Lovely and crispy. Smell is pretty amazing. As you can imagine, bacon cooking. Cheers! Oh, that's really surprising. The pink peppercorns are lovely, give it a nice sort of rounded, peppery, fruity taste, and the mustard works really well. That is really good bacon. Enjoyed that. Now for the one I'm really looking forward to, some of my favourite flavours, maple and chipotle. Let's drag some of this out. Oh yes. That looks good bacon. Smells like good bacon. Tastes like good bacon. Yes, winner. This is really good. If you're not sure about bacon curing, this little set from Ross & Ross, the bacon curing kit, would be good to get you going. Oh, I'm just getting a little bit of heat on this chipotle now. Nice sweetness. This is really good. Really good start to making bacon. If you haven't yet made bacon, then one of these kits will be a really good introduction to it. Give it a go. Because as we know, bacon makes everything better. Cheers. If you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke, there's a box down there. Please subscribe, like and comment. Let me know